Portions of at least 2 Iowa interstates shut down today after multiple vehicle crashes amid dangerous winter driving conditions. Images posted to social media showed trucks and cars involved in a pileup on Interstate 80 westbound near Newton, about 35 miles northeast of Des Moines. The Iowa State Patrol warned, vehicles are piling up, and visibility is nearly zero. We urge everyone, do not travel unless absolutely necessary. Your life, and the lives of first responders, are being put at risk. Earlier, at least 15 vehicles were involved in a pileup on Interstate 35, Iowa State Patrol Trooper Rodney Larson said in a phone call from the scene. Southbound lanes of I-35 closed near Huxley, about 20 miles north of Des Moines. L. Larson said there was no immediate word on injuries. A later update from the agency said troopers responded to 68 crashes from 9 p.m. last night to noon today. 9 people were injured in the incidents, but there were no deaths reported. A state trooper's vehicle was also hit. Authorities warned residents to stay home and avoid travel due to the weather. Powerful winter storm Lola is bringing strong winds to Iowa this morning, with gusts topping 50 miles per hour in both Des Moines and Ames, Weather.com senior meteorologist Chris Dolce said. Those winds in combination with falling snow and blowing snow on the ground will continue to make conditions hazardous into the afternoon hours, with a blizzard warning in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Video from the I-35 crash scene showed snow on the ground and low visibility. A deadly pileup in the same general area in 2018 involved an estimated 70 cars. Several other roadways were closed this morning across Iowa, either because of weather conditions or crashes, according to the State Department of Transportation. They include parts of Interstate 80, Iowa 44, and 141 and U.S. Highways 20, 6 and 59. An update from the DOT at about 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time noted that travel was still not advised in much of the state. Completely ice-covered roads have developed on I-35 and north, and impassable roads have not budged while this severe storm pushes east, the post on social media read.
Well, here we go again. An update of the daytime after the wonderful snowstorm of Iowa.